Hello, boys. This is your teacher, Jana Akhtar is with you. I'm going to take your physics class and many happy wishes for the new year. And as you have approached to a new class in class 10, more responsibilities, more exams are waiting for you, and you guys are getting closer to your board exam also. And as this is an introductory class, today I will just discuss about the syllabus and some content that we are going to study on class 10. As majority portions of the syllabus you have completed on class 9, but here in class 10 you have pre-test exam, test exam, and at the same time you have to make preparation for your board exam also. So just be sincere from the very beginning of the class, and from our very next class we will try to have a brief discussion on several chapters, on several content. And whenever I will share the class in your group, that means college group, school group, there on the comment section you can place any comment related to class, or any query about the class. And at the same time, whenever I will just give you some work as classwork or homework, you have to submit that also in the comment section, including your roll number and section number, because your CW and HW marks, that means total SBA marks, will be counted from this performance. So please be attentive from the very beginning of the class, and whenever you just attend to a class, then please leave your comment and including your roles. And as you will be informed earlier that in every month you have to submit your copy, that means classwork or homework copy, for our checking. So please make a note whenever you are attending classes. Try to have a note, have a specific copy for classwork and homework. And though I haven't got any class with you earlier, but we will try to have more discussion through online class, through Zoom meeting, or any other version or any other way. And I hope we will get familiar to each other through our classes, and through the whole year we will have a happy time also. And then just let's go to the next part of the class. We will have some discussion about your book, about your chapters that are left, and that we will have to discuss on class 10. So let's have a look on the next portion of the chapter, or next portion of the class. Thank you, boys. Welcome again to the next portion of the class. Here this is your textbook, and for class 9 and 10 same book is for your total syllabus. And in your total syllabus you have 14 chapters, as you know that. And from these chapters you have finished according to your class 9 syllabus. You have finished chapter 1 to 10. And for your first term exam of class 10, 4 chapters are just here. That means last 4 chapters of the syllabus, chapter 11, 12, 13 and 14. And we will start our study with chapter 11, current electricity. As you have learned about static electricity in the field of electricity, there are 2 fields, static electricity and current electricity. You have known about the static electricity, and in our next class we will just start discussion on current electricity. Next, we will discuss about magnetic effects of current. Chapter 13 is modern physics and electronics, and chapter 14 is physics to save life. Uh, Major chapters of the syllabus that are very important for board exam or any kind of exam. I have already finished those chapters, and another important chapter for board exam is chapter 11, current electricity, and this is totally different from static electricity. The concept of current electricity is an interesting one. In this chapter we will have so many topics, so many content. Will just uh, uh, be able to know about resistors, about cells, about combination of resistors, math related to these topics, and some other topics also are there. Gradually we will discuss those topics on our classes. And on your first quiz, as we don't know whenever our regular class is going to open, that means our regular class on classroom, whenever we will be able to return to our classroom, and whenever everything will be okay. But we hope that everything will be okay within short time or very early. We will be able to get back to our classroom. But according to schedule, all our classes, all our exams will be performed in time. So if you just want to say about a first quiz, that we have to complete the syllabus before that quiz. And as I haven't got the syllabus yet, but for first quiz, first chapter, that means uh, first chapter of first term, that is current electricity. For first quiz you have to finish this chapter. So as I've told you earlier, from the next class we will have brief discussion on this chapter or on this topic. And after completing these 4 chapters you will have your first term exam. Then you will have to attend on the pre-test exams. And for pre-test and test exam, the syllabus is whole book. So within this time, within 3 or 4 months, you have to take a verse preparation over the whole book. But don't get panicked, because you have already finished the majority portions of the book. You are just only 4 chapters are left over here, and you will get enough time to make a proper preparation for the whole syllabus. So don't get panicked, don't get anxious. uh, if we just want to have a look on chapter 11, that means current electricity. What do you mean by current electricity? First of all, as there are 2 parts of electricity, uh, static electricity and current electricity. You have to know the difference between static electricity and current electricity. What is static electricity? That means the electricity that is caused by a static particle. That means the particle that has no movement, that is called static electricity. But if the particles or the electricity is just because of the movement of charges, for the moving charges, what kind of electricity we get, that is called current electricity. In a simple word, we can say that for moving electron or moving charges, the electricity that we get, that is called current electricity. And here you will be able to know about electromotive force, potential difference, uh, conductor, insulator, semiconductor. You have already idea about this topic, and that means conductor, insulator and semiconductor. Here we will just see the difference in case of electricity, or the allowing electricity to pass through them, through conductor, through insulator and through semiconductor. And then we will know about Ohm's law, resistance, the combination of resistance. We will know about simple circuit, and we will get lots of maths from this topic, that means from resistance. Combination of resistance, here we will get the equivalent resistance, series circuit, parallel circuit. We will just have maths on this topic. And finally we will have the topic electric power and electric supply, safe use of electricity. These are the important content of this chapter, that means we have to highlight on these topics. And mm, from next class we will just try to have discussion on all topics gradually. And I hope you will totally cooperate with me to have a nice class, to have a nice performance on all exams of you. So first of all, best of luck for your class, best of luck for your upcoming exams. And keep praying for all. We also keep you are also in our prayers, because you are our students, you are just like our child, and all of you are in our prayers. And also keep praying for us, because in this pandemic, being healthy, being fit, is a very big blessing for all whoever are fit now, healthy now. So boys, that's all for now. And inshallah we will have next classes, we will have discussion on next classes. And till then, goodbye, take care, thank you.